stop scrolling. This is going to change everything you know about creating images. Imagine typing a few words and boom, a perfect, mind-blowing image appears in seconds. No expensive cameras, no design skills, and absolutely no coding. Sounds crazy, right? But AI can do it right now. Today, I'll reveal step by step how you can create stunning, hyper-realistic AI images for free. And trust me, it's so easy, you'll feel like a wizard. By the end of this video, you'll be making AI-generated art so realistic, people won't believe it's not real. And here's the best part, anyone can do this. So are you ready to unlock the future of image creation? Let's go. Step 1. Choosing the right AI image generator. Not all AI tools are the same. Some are free, some are better for realism, and some give crazy artistic results. Here are the top AI image generators in 2025. Leonardo AI, best for beginners, free, and ultra-realistic. Midjourney, premium, but makes cinematic, artistic images. Stable Diffusion, open source, free, but needs setup. DALL-E 3, created by OpenAI, great for creative, detailed images. For this tutorial, we'll use Leonardo AI because it's free, fast, and gives insane results. Go to leonardo.ai, sign up, and let's create some magic. Step 2. Writing the perfect AI image prompt. Here's where most people mess up. AI isn't a mind reader. You have to tell it exactly what you want. Example, bad prompt, a dog. Perfect prompt, a majestic golden retriever running through a sunset-lit field. Ultra-realistic, 4K, cinematic lighting. See the difference? The more detailed your prompt, the better your image. Pro tip, use this format for prompts. 1. Main subject, what's in the image, e.g. futuristic city, cyberpunk warrior, romp, ancient castle. 2. Details, colors, textures, lighting, e.g. neon lights, realistic shadows, 8K. 3. Style, photorealistic, anime, Pixar style, cinematic, oil painting. Here's a powerful example to try. A cyberpunk samurai standing on a futuristic rooftop, neon lights reflecting off his armor, misty background, Ultra HD, 8K resolution, cinematic lighting. Now let's generate it and see the results. Step 3. Customizing and enhancing AI images. Once AI generates an image, you can tweak it for perfection. Key features to adjust. Upscaling. Make images sharper and higher quality. Color correction. Adjust brightness, contrast, or color tones. In painting. Fix mistakes or edit parts of the image. Variation mode. Generate multiple versions of the same image. AI does 90% of the work, but a little fine-tuning makes your image perfect. Step 4. How to use AI images and make money. You now have stunning AI-generated images, but what's next? Here are 4 powerful ways to use them. Sell AI art. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Fiverr let you sell digital prints. Social media content. Use AI images for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, and viral tweets. Game development and NFT art. Many AI images can be turned into NFTs or video game assets. Video and marketing materials. Make posters, banners, and YouTube covers in minutes. AI isn't just for fun. It's a powerful tool to create, sell, and brand yourself. AI image generation is changing the world, and you just learned how to use it. Now it's your turn. Try it yourself right now. Go to Leonardo AI and generate your first AI masterpiece. And if you want to master AI completely, check out my 30 Days AI Learning Challenge. Subscribe for more mind-blowing AI tutorials every week. See you in the next one.